Hi, this is Happy Morning. Today I'm going to cook a simple spicy eggplant or brinjal. First, let us go through the ingredients. A medium-sized eggplant, a medium tomato, a thumb-sized ginger, some hot chilies, and 2 bay leaves. I'm using dried chilies because I don't have the fresh ones. Then we need cooking oil for sure, soya bean paste, sugar, salt, and some water. You can use your preferred ingredients from your grocery stores. Let's go to the cuttings. Mince the ginger, slice the tomato, and cut each chili into 2. Slice also the eggplant or brinjal to your preferred pattern. Let's go! Switch on the stove. Let's heat up the wok. You can use 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let it heat 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, let's saute the ginger first. This pot is my favorite. I like to use it especially for frying because it is deep enough. The oil is not going to jump out and spread all over my stove or floor. After the ginger is golden brown, we can put in the bay leaves and the chilies, followed by the tomato. A little smoky here. That's typical Asian cooking. Uh-oh, my chimney cooker hood is not working today. Let's put 1 tablespoon of soya bean paste. Half teaspoon of sugar, wow, the chili stimulate my smelling senses. Let us continue with the brinjal. We need to stir fry a little while. Make sure all pieces of brinjals are covered with the juicy tomatoes and the bean paste. I'm going to get some water. Let's pour in half bowl of water. I'm trying to softly press them to get them soaked in water. We can cover it now and bring it to boil. I tell you guys, I never do trial and errors for all my cooking, because all the food I cook here are mostly my daily food. Almost done. I know you might be wondering why I don't use the salt. I'll use it later, because some bean paste is very salty. And this is my first time buying this brand from Asia shop in Frankfurt. So I need to try how salty it is. It is not salty. I need some salt then. Usually my rough token is quite accurate and just nice. I can taste a natural sweetness from the brinjal. So guys, when you see the brinjal's color change and it look like darker and transparent, it means they are well cooked. We can then switch off the stove. Gonna scoop them out. Oops, the handle is quite hot. I think I need a glove. Aha, my super glove. I'm hungry. My stomach is calling. Let me show you. Wow. Smell it. Smells nice. It is a great white rice companion. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe, and click the small bell below. Ciao. See you. 再见。